Very much. And of the APC here present, ladies and gentlemen of the press, I greet you all. First of all, we give glory to the Almighty Allah for everything. It is my singular honor and privilege to be here today with all the executive and members of the great association. Most importantly, a very powerful delegation from our great party. Of course, no doubt today that in the whole of West Africa, APC and its lead and the leader, the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Ahmed Bola Tinubu, is the #1 ranking president of our great nation. Also, I like to once again congratulate the chairman of our great party for honor well deserved. Without much ado, I would like to go straight to the crux of today's main agenda. Members of the fourth estate of the realm, that is the press, as always, we would like to crave your indulgence to help spread the truth to the masses as it is. This is very important at this point in time in order to honor, to clear the air on the incessant activities of some jobless mischief makers who are scattered everywhere just to spray cheap rumor and lest against our party, and particularly against our humble, innocent man who has been busy trying to deliver on the assignment given to him by Mr. President in order to rebuild Nigeria and make Nigeria project a reality, Honorable Femi Gbajabiamila. It is on this note that we have called for the press conference to inform the good people of our great party, APC, and good people of our beloved country, Nigeria, at large, to be wary of some unscrupulous elements who call themselves APC Youth Wing and the likes who are spreading propagandas just to seek attention. You may all recall that these cheap blackmail makers have been going around shortly with some concocted allegation that the chief of staff of the president is hiding some files from the president and also taking bribe to allocate appointment to political office seeker, of which all these cheap allegations are unfounded and mere blackmail just to create some unnecessary fracas in some quarters. We totally want to debunk this in its entirely and advise the public to be aware.
We all understand that these questions are all interwoven. They are about speaking about the same thing, and which is to really clear off the allegation. Like you all know, the allegation is just a mere allegation without no facts. And like I said, they are sponsored allegations just to create some fracas in some quarters in order to draw attention or to seek attention from some other quarters of the party and the likes. We are looking for a way, for example, to say that somebody is guilty of a particular crime or of a particular allegation. We don't have any facts to prove that. For instance, in one of the videos I witnessed, the youth wing, who call themselves the youth wing of the APC, we are spreading allegations on the chief of staff of the president without no facts. At least we all know that in the society, it is no longer news that if there is any accusation leveled against a person, there are evidences to be shown. If this issue is tabled in the courts will only work with facts. We don't have any facts. At least let us have some leaked documents or some videos that he has collected some money from some politicians who are seeking political offices from this administration. Don't forget that this administration is just barely months in office. So I don't know how this could be true. So like I said earlier, these allegations are just mere cheap and unfounded lies and rumor that are being spread against an innocent person who is trying to help. We all know where the chief of staff is coming from, and we know how innocent he is. He was just the immediate past Speaker of the National Assembly, and he resigned his position upon his appointment as the Chief of Staff of the President immediately after the 2023 election. We are here to debunk in its entirety the allegations leveled against the Chief of Staff of the President, Honorable Femi Gbajabiamila. It is not also glaring that there are evidences against this innocent person that we are talking about. So how genuine are the allegations? Like I said, that this person in question just resigned his appointment or resigned his position from the National Assembly as the Speaker of the House to pick up an appointment with the President as a honorary member. So he just picked up an appointment as the Chief of Staff of the President after the 2023 election was concluded. So how far would you judge this person that just came into the office just within a few months ago? In the National Assembly, if you could recall, he has been in the National Assembly all these years, and there were never any allegations, or he was never found with any corruption cases. If there are any, that is why I said, let us table evidences, pictorial or video evidences, or even documents to prove that he is guilty of these allegations.